Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, July 22nd. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And as always, after the reading, I'm going to do a short meditative reflection around the subject. The essay today is titled, Allowing Pain In. I am becoming water. I let everything rinse its grief in me and reflect as much light as I can. Another paradox I continually struggle with is how to let others in without becoming them. How to open the door of compassion without the things and people we feel overpowering us. It goes as far back as Jesus and Buddha, and the miracle of such spirits is that they show us that there is some basic clear element in each of us, like water, which can glow without its name, which can allow the pain and grief of others in without turning us into just pain or grief. Many traditions speak to this. We call it love when we do this for another, and compassion when we hold this intention for all living things. The Tibetan Buddhist tradition has a meditation practice called Tonglen that asks us to breathe in the suffering of the world and to hold it in that unbreakable place of compassion, and to then breathe back light. The beauty of such a practice is that it assumes and affirms that there is something timeless and indestructible within each of us that can heal us and the world if we can just open ourselves to it. So today, let's do a Tonglen practice together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, remind yourself, this breath is good enough. There is nothing you need to fix about it. There is no need to lengthen it or deepen it or make it anything it's not. Just like there is no need to fix this moment. It's good enough as it is. In the same way, there is nothing you need to fix about you. You are enough. See if this reminder gives you a space of freedom in your breathing, in your whole being, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind the person you care about who is suffering or unhappy in some way. There may be an illness or physical discomfort. They may be going through a divorce, afraid they will lose their job, wonder where money will come from. As you think about this person you care for, notice all the difficulties in their life and see each aspect of their suffering as a cloud of black smoke. This person may have several clouds of black smoke around them. You care about this person deeply, and you want to rid them of this black smoke and bring them peace, joy, happiness. remembering that you will never run short of the love inside you. Without any fear, breathe in the black smoke from your loved one. And as you breathe in the black smoke, notice if your heart is completely open and soft, or perhaps it's surrounded with a protective shell of fear, self-absorption, closed-offness. Either way, it's totally fine. Just notice. No worries. If you do see this protective shell of separation around your heart, let the black smoke crack through it and allow your heart to break open in loving, white light. Every single particle of black smoke is now transformed into healing, loving light in your heart. Just like turning on light completely transforms a dark room. Every bit of pain and suffering that you breathe in is transformed. Tonglen is not a conceptual practice. It's not only about the imagery. It's about really allowing yourself to feel whatever the other person may be feeling. Acknowledging that any suffering is a universal experience. And that relief from suffering is a universal experience as well. Breathe in and watch your loved one as the black smoke of discomfort or despair or fear leaves them and gets breathed into your heart to be transformed. Breathe out, sending this person the white light of healing and anything you can imagine that might make this person happy. Breathe in the black smoke of their mental or physical pain. And watch as every last bit of it is transformed in your open, loving heart. Breathe out any kind of healing and happiness and joys this person could want in the form of white light. You might send them freedom from pain, send them the love they never got from their parents, send them a new house, money, a hug, a cup of tea. Send them a deep spiritual life. Send them endless love and healing. Continue to breathe and smoke with the in-breath. Watch it being transformed in your heart, and then send it out on the exhale as endless gifts of healing and joy in the form of white light. And now imagine the person you're sending all this healing to beginning to smile. See joy or relief come to their face as all the suffering leaves their body and mind and enters your loving heart to be transformed into white light. And also allow yourself to feel this joy, this relief as well. Remember, there is no end to this transformation and healing that you are now creating and experiencing. Now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue the practice of Tonglen for your loved ones. Allow yourself to really feel their suffering without fear, knowing that your heart is full and it will not empty just because you bring in the black smoke to be transformed. Really connect with the possible relief from the suffering, remembering that both suffering and relief are universal experiences that we all go through. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.